Kung nag-iisip ka pa ng kung anong masarap na pansit ang lutuin for New Year or for Christmas, this is it, pansit. Let's cook super crispy pansit. Of course, true to the name of the dish, this is literally super crispy dahil uunahin natin ang crispy egg topping that we will put on top. So I have here hard-boiled eggs na ayan, kinat namin into half and I'm just going to bread it. So into my flour, egg wash, and of course, our favorite Good Life breadcrumbs. Bongga tong Good Life breadcrumbs. Of course, this makes your fried dishes crunchy and juicy in every bite. So ayan, i-bread natin lahat yan. Habang pinapainit ko yung mantika. Okay, and now, let's start frying. Maganda kasi yung naglalagay ka ng eggs sa noodles. Di ba parang yung birthday noodles? Oh, thank you sa mga nanood. Kasi added protein ito. And syempre, di ba, affordable ang eggs. Oh. Added sahog na hindi masakit sa bulsa. And now, let's fry our egg noodles. Of course, ang gagamitin ko ay ang aking favorite and trusted Good Life egg noodles. I'm using the 400 grams. Perfect na perfect to for a family of 4 to 6. Actually, hanggang makikita mo mamaya. Sa family siguro namin hanggang 4 lang. Pero mapupuno po itong malaking bandehado na to. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng paper towel dito, pero hihilahin ko din mamaya. Just to absorb the excess oil. So, of course, I'm using my favorite Good Life egg noodles because it's a healthier alternative than your ordinary pancit. It's made from real eggs. So, yan. Iprito natin. Mabilis lang po itong lutuin. Kailangan lang mainit na mainit yung mantika mo. Ayan o. Ay, teka. Kailangan nandito ka alerto kasi ayaw mo siyang tustahin. Pag natusta kasi pumapait. Pag umalsa ng konting ganyan, okay na yan. Pag nawala yung bubbles, that's it. Tak, 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 tak mo lang. And then, do that. One more. Oh, diba? Isn't it bongga? Hindi na sayang ang effort mo, yung mantika, hindi na sayang. Kasi, pinrito mo yung eggs and then now yung noodles. Okay, now, papalitan ko lang tong wok ko. And then, gawin na natin next, the sauce. Alright, now let's prepare the sauce. Napakadali. So, first, into my wok, some oil. And then, igisa natin ang bawang, sibuyas. Okay, bawang sibuyas and then isasama ko yung mushrooms I have here dried mushrooms that we've soaked. Isama ko na din sa gisa ang aking kikiam. Diba? I have here kikiam balls and squid balls. And then let's put some Good Life oyster sauce. You need around half a cup. So mga kalahati nitong bote. I'm also putting mushroom powder. And your water. You'll be needing around 6 to 8 cups of water. Depende kung gaanong ka saucy yung gusto mong sauce. I suggest, dagdagan mo na yung sauce. Diba? Minsan may dadating kang bigla ang bisita. And then pakuluin natin yan, mga 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this has been boiling. Tikman natin. Good. Lagyan ko lang ng konting brown sugar, just a bit. Not really to make it sweet, pero for that yung umami na e-enhance. Black pepper. And then now let's put slurry. I have here cornstarch. And then I'm going to use the water, the mushroom water kung saan ko sinoke yung mushrooms kanina. Because you want your sauce thick, like a gravy. Okay. Nice and thick. Let me try it again. Oops! Let me add a little bit more of oyster sauce. And then let's put our vegetables. Katikman ulit. Konti pang mushroom powder. In place of the mushroom powder, of course, you can use chicken powder. Perfect. Now I'm going to put the veggies. Bell peppers, pampakulay, and cabbage. Okay, now I'm going to turn off the flame. I will let the heat coming from the sauce to totally cook the vegetables para hindi po nalalabog. And then, let's plate it and taste it next. Okay, before we plate, I'm going to put a good splash of sesame oil. Smells so good. And now, ganito yan. Diba? How bongacious is that? Ay, nahulog ang isang squid ball. Oh, diba? Pampamilya talaga to. Oh, may tira pa ako ditong sauce. Pwede ka pa magprito mamaya ng noodles or I suggest, dagdagan mo na yung pagpiprito mo. Diba? Para, hindi po basta-basta kukunat yung noodles unless buhusan mo ng sauce. And honestly, when I developed this recipe, kinabukasan, kinain ko pa po yung nasa ref and it's still super good. And then now you arrange your crunchy eggs. Just arrange them randomly. Very festive. Naisip ko kasi itong may itlog, colorful, crunchy, di ba perfect New Year handa. It is super duper bongga. And you can garnish it with spring onions para mas colorful. O, diba? Here is your super bonggang, super crispy pansit. Now, tikman natin. Alright, tikman na natin ang ating super crispy noodles. Well, kung panghandaan, ibubuffet mo, pwede din namang ang sistema mo is nasa gilid yung noodles and kanya-kanyang buhos na lang ng sauce. Nasa sayo yan. Kung saang sistema ka happy, push. Yan. Hahaluin mo munang ganyan yan. Tikman ko yung noodles muna with the sauce. Super good. Para ako nasa social na Chinese restaurant. Now with the egg. Yung egg muna. Perfect talaga pag breaded yung egg. Kasi yung moist pa din yung loob. Now the egg and the noodles. Lagyan ko naman ng squid ball. Oh my gosh. I love the texture, the flavor, everything about this super crispy noodles. And, di ba minsan, may nag-comment, natatawa ko. Natawa daw sila when I said I lied dun sa blueberry cheesecake. Dito naman, I never lied because this is really, really super crispy pansit. So gumawa ka na, whether you want to call it super crispy pansit, super crispy canton, super crispy noodles. Ay nako, happy holidays, happy new year. See you soon.